It's Christmas right now, and my room is so messy. If you don't believe me, it's 25. Wednesday 25. Wednesday 25. Kamagori. It's Christmas! And I want to feel something sa Christmas here because Christmas is like a normal day lang in Japan. So I have a Christmas gift. Christmas gift, and we're just gonna unbox this real quick. Unboxing time. This is something I really want since last month, and I can't find a cheap one until yesterday. Until 2 days ago, I found one sa Mercari, and I'm like, let's go, let's get this beach. Let's buy this beach. Original price, I think, nasa 4,000 yen ata. But I got this for 1,700 yen. Islay. No inclusions, I think, just the photo book itself. Then I just said what this is. Did I just spoil? Yes, this is a photo book. But it's an NCT Dream photo book, behind book, actually. I already have the big one. Oh, it's not there, it's over there. The actual photo book. This one is like the behind one. Diba? Nandito lang naman palang opening. Nagsisar-sisar pa. Slay. Ayun, slay full. Diba? It's just a small one. Wala, small. Legit pala na small. I thought it's like... I thought the size would be like... I can't pull a photo book out because it's so hard to pull one, but I thought the size would be like this. But this is small, like the size of my head. Sleep. I don't know how much this is originally, but the prices online, prices on Mercari is around 7,000 yen. Grabe naman siya. 7,000 yen ang sealed. There's like 5,000 I think sealed. This one, not sealed. I don't really care. I don't care about the inclusions and stuff. I only need this. Okay, the photo book itself. Because ah! Oh! Now I know this is Geno. I knew it. It's Geno. I thought hindi siya included. Baka narong lang sa ano yun. Narong ata ako sa pagka-intindi. I thought hindi included ang Polaroid. But they include the Polaroid. Voila. It's only one lang. I don't know how many inclusions originally. But I got one, and it's Geno. It's Jenner! Slay! Oh. Behind photos of the actual photo book. I'm gonna let you see some. Let me... Ooh! Factory zone! Factory... Is this even behind? It's not behind. This is an actual photo. Like, are you kidding me? That's cute. Oh my gosh, she's so cute. Stop. Hindi pwedeng kiligin. No. Reality check. Reality check. Best. He's our bestie, okay? He's our bestie. So bestie. Tigil-tigilan ang mga delusions because what the fuck? Tigil-tigilan ang mga delusions. Look at Mark Lee. Gusto niya akong sakalin ata, be. What's the meaning of that? Ama ka na, be. Ama ka na. Is that Jenna? It's not Jenna pala. Is it Mark? Oh my gosh, I'm a fake fan. Anyways. Ayan tayo, Numin eh. Ayan tayo. Numin. Slay. 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 What yaw is this? What yaw is this? It's just sensitive dream. Slay. I need the behind video, to be honest. Full behind video. Thank you very much. It's all Numin, guys. It's all Numin. I'm not gonna let you see it. Gonna get There's Numin shit. Uy! Bakit naman ganito ang effect? Para naman talagang Chun-Li. He's so cute. Bakit ang liit ng photo? Dapat full page. Dapat. 런쥔아. 와 그렇지. 어머. 미애찬. 미애찬은 That's my besties. The visuals. Look. Di nyo kaya. You cannot take it. Wait, what if photo card? What if photo card? What if? What if? What if? Mark looks so young here. Like, diba? Like, he looks so young. What? I think it's because of the hair. Ang gagalit naman ang Markley na yan. Look. Yeah, Numin. I know. Look at Jaemin and Chanda. Yeah, Numin, and then there's Mahe, and then there's Chanda and Jae. What? What is this? Look. Oh my gosh, they look so good together. A win for the nomination. Talaga naman. My family. Slay. This is Mahe, right? It's Mahe. I want a screen, but oh my fucking god! Stop. You know what? I'm so gay for Hechan. Like, I swear to God, like, nakatalikod lang si Akla, but I'm so in love. What the fuck? Now, this is what you call behind photo, okay? That's behind photo. Bakit naman para naman hindi behind yung... Legs. Slay. Look at this baby girl. Baby girl. Mahe, Mahe, we know this is Mahe. Slay. Oh my gosh, 이거 누구야? Chanmaji. That's Chanma. It's Chanma. Ay, walang behind yung favorite photo ko ni Jisung. There's like a favorite photo ni Jisung that's so good. Pero walang behind. And I think there's like barely Jisung here. Like Jisung solo behind. Like, be for real. Anyways. There's that. Merry Christmas to me. This is my Christmas gift. Slay. I also got a Mark S Mini for their latest album, but it's not here yet. There's that, and slay. Anyways, very nice naman I'm actually watching F1 Drive to Survive. Anyways, it's been great, but I'm just gonna show you. It's December 27, and I've been wearing the exact same pajamas since 25. Anyways, whatever. We're just here to unbox this, unwrap basically. I'm just gonna show you what this is, and don't be shocked. Like, this actually makes sense why I have this. I bought this. It makes sense, guys. I'm not even gonna explain. I'm just gonna show you what. Kinikilig. Ayan, this is volume 3 because this is on sale. Nag-sale siya. And 1,900 something. Usually, this is 4,000 plus. Around 4,300 yen siya. So, yung volume 1 and 2, I'm just gonna buy it later on. Ito, binili ko na lang siya agad. Kasi on sale. And then, last item. So, for the go na. Diba? I'm just gonna unbox this later on pag kompleto na. Pag I have, at least I have the season. The volume 1 and volume 2. Tsaka na siya i-unbox. I-unwrap pala, bebs. So, we need volume 1. I might buy it next month. Or February, I don't know. So, kasi it's expensive. 4,000 yen siya, mga B. Bakit naman 4,000 yen? Pero ayan, this is my first ever manga. What do you call these? So yeah, this is like one of my favorite BL manhwas. Love is an Illusion. I do love also, what was the title? I rarely read manhwas, and if I do, it's always BL. And what was that? I forgot it. Painter of the Night. I know, but I never finished that. And then, what was the other one? Whose Baby Is That? Basta. Yun siya, be. I've read those. I think I've read a lot, pero hindi ko na maalala yung title. But this one is one of my favorite because, what's his name? He has some, reminds me of someone, and I'm not gonna tell you who. But yeah. I do wanna buy the season 1 na. Season 1? I always keep saying season 1, the volume 1. I do wanna buy the volume 1, but I don't have money yet. So maybe next month. Actually, I don't have money for next month also. So maybe February. I don't know, maybe sa birthday ko na lang, which is April pa. But we're gonna complete this since na-start na natin, B. We already bought one. So we need to buy all the others. Speaking of buying all the others, I need to complete that book, that series, Sa Likod ni Mark. What was that? I forgot the title. It's Tracy Wolf. I never read na after reading the first book because it's so, I don't know, I don't like it. I'm not liking it. But I want to complete the book. Para lang it's nice. You have all the, all the books. Kahit na hindi mo naman binasa. It's just nice to look at. Kompleto, diba? And then I also need to complete the Brothers Hawthorne. What do you call that book? Oh my gosh, I forgot the title. The Inheritance Games. I am missing the book after the Brothers Hawthorne. I forgot what that was. Yeah, I don't have that. And then the other one, the like novellas, I think. Yeah, I don't have that also. So I want to complete them. And then I need to complete the what was the other books I have? Ayun, Truly Devious. I have these, I have that. I don't have these two, so I need to buy that too. Physical book. And then I need to buy, I already have A Good Girl's Guide to Murder and then Good Girl, Bad Blood. I don't have this yet, so I need to buy that. If you're asking me, did you read that already? No, I only read this. I liked it. However, I don't feel reading the next book. I don't know. But because I already bought two, ang pangit naman kung hindi kompleto. So I need to buy the one. Wala lang, for the sake na makompleto siya. Yeah. So I have these three already. I only need to buy that, and then I need to buy that. Slay. And then we need to buy the other two. There's literally 6 volumes of this. But I think ang importante is I think the important is I get to buy the volume 1 and 2. Yeah. The 4, 5, and 6. Let me think. Printed in Canada. Mark Lee is following me everywhere and everything that I do. What? Naligo pa ako, ha? I took a bath. I just rewear this kasi sa pagtulog ko lang naman siya ginagamit, Debs. Okay. We have work yesterday, so I basically just worn this sa pag-sleep na. It's 27 today. Ngayon lang walang work the whole day. I'm so happy. And I'm gonna continue watching F1. I'm on season 1, episode 4, I think. So let's go. I don't like Max as of this moment. Yeah. But Lewis, you're very handsome. And then Carlos, slay. Unboxing time. This is why I'm broke. Another mini mark. Mini mark. Mini mark. This is a pretty mark. All of my marks are cool marks. This is pretty marks. Pretty mark, pretty mark. Oh, so pretty here. Oh, slay. Very slayful. Slayfulness. There is no photo card because this is second hand. Second hand. Oh, I love the color palette. Ta-da! It's a Mew Mew photo card, but slayful. Very slay. Mark said. Slay. Slay. Hey guys! Nako sa pinakagabot nga kwarto sa tawad ng world. Kay mag-unbox ko. Tada! If you know, you know! Kabalo na din mo unsa ni nga box. Pag naani siya, kabalo na ka. Ito ni Mansanas. Slay. Mag-unbox. I-unbox ang box, ha? Mag-unbox lang pero dili i-unbox ang item. Ha? Igawa sa box ang item. Ano lang? Okay. Ah! Mas siya talaga full tab kisa sa akong kuon. So, ako ang AirPods Max. Okay, let's go. Sleep. Boogs. Peekaboo. Dayon. Binakog na ito. May pa-effect. Sabi ko may effect. Guys, another day siya dito. So, gahi kaayo. Diba? This iPad. But we're not gonna unbox this. Ganun lang ang atake ng iPad. This is for my aunt. And then another one. Slay. Peekaboo. Aling one na nga siya. Mag-pop up. Tadan! Another one. Busa ganya akong pasabot, di ba? Ihan carry lugar ning dagko kayo ang naang box.
Gani. Diba?
Is what I'm trying to say.
Dapat i-unbox jud na siya.
Ikaw lang yun gusto ka mag-unbox. Yellow. Bakit kaya yellow? In my opinion, it looks
Di ba,
fake.
nipis na
Ang
iyang
yellow.
box na ba?
Hane, murag, di ba, ana-ana na.
Gunis, di mo ni mo makuan iyang box.
Smile lang ko guys, pero ako'y magbayad ani monthly. Happy kaayo, pero dili na ako magamit. Yay! Okay lang, it's my auntie. Si Matim and Matut. Si Mildred and Mirasol. Mimi. Me squared. M squared. I'm so scared. I am so scared because today is so amazing. Like, I won the lottery for premium seat for NCT 127 concert, and then Haechan cover song release. What the fuck? And then I totally forgot about this. Like, what? If you're curious, it's just a vinyl, pero like, nakalimutan ko na siya. I'm like, what? So let's open this up. It's a vinyl that I totally forgot. I thought ang Soho vinyl na. I thought it's a Soho vinyl na. And I was like, what? It's just January. Hindi pala. So this is a suspense naman. Sorry, I have allergies right now. Beach. My life's been hectic since Fantas. Okay, wrong song, but this is Rosie. Shut the fuck up. Shut the fuck up. Shut up. Shut up. Shut up. Yung pre-order nito, it's not available for Asia. Like, the fuck? So I got this through an online store called Quo10. I don't know how to pronounce it, but it's Q0010. Quo10. So I don't know. Look! Oh my god! So sa US, UK, Canada, and then Australia, I think. Lang siya meron. But it's here. So, sorry, my nose. So I pre-ordered it in Quo10. They said February pa siya darating. It was just January, guys. January, so I'm like not thinking about this at all. And then boosh, dito na sa video. It has Vampire Holy. It's a bonus song. Wala pala siyang ano. Wala siyang hindi siya gatefold, but oh my god, okay. Oh my gosh, it smells like vinyl record, of course. What else? Oh my gosh, what do you mean? Rosianne, what do you mean? What is this? I did not expect as a SM Entertainment girly, we don't get this shit. Stop! That's my mother. Playful. It's playful. Slay. Okay. It's really in Korean. In Hangul. Patsi. It's just lyrics. And then lyrics. Slay. And then we have here Slay. And then love it. I love it. It's red. I have so many red. Like, so many red. But this is a different type of red because it's... Diba? Parang translucent siya ng Berlin. I forgot what it's called, but basta it's red. It's something like that. All of my red are like solid red. This one is like kind of see-through. Di na kaya. Oh my god, shut up. Shut up! Shut up! Oh my gosh, I can't wait to put this beside Jayon. I'm not a shipper. But they look so good together. You did not hear that from me. But anyways, that's it basically. That's this, the vinyl, this one, and then something inside, and then yeah, that's it. I'm gonna play this on Saturday. It's just Tuesday, guys, so you wait. Let me see kung may visible dents. Wala naman. But the static is intense. I don't know if you see it, but my hair is, see? The static is crazy. That's, you know me. For today's unboxing. I still have 2 other vinyls, Soho and then Espa. Just ko naman. And then a book. No, it's not a book, it's a manual. Last na talaga. Swear. Last. I need to get anti-static sleeve, but I'm too tired. I'm just like, tomorrow na. Goodbye. Ta-da! Vacuum. There is another vacuum. Perfect. I don't wanna talk. I'm just gonna show y'all. Because I don't wanna talk.
I'm assuming. Remove the screw I knew that you had the skills and the talent.
So easy to clean the dust. Perfect. Very perfect. Very perfect.